Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you the project that I just completed using the Django framework and obviously Python. So we're gonna start. Well, we are already in the project folder, so we can see how is the program working. Uh, we're gonna run the server like this. So there it is. To see our web page, web app, we should look at localhost 8000 projects folder, and there it is. We have a simple portfolio with some project to display. We can try this. We have this project. We can add some information, and all of this information is inside a database that is provided by Django support. And we can also see the other page, which is the blog page. This section is different. We are just displaying different posts, starting from the recent one and to the beginning. We have the dates and one category for this post. And yep, we can this blog page and this posts are also entered into the database provided by Django. And the last thing is that we can also write some comments. So we can see that the comment has been uploaded. We're gonna check a little of the project to see how this works. We should start right here. The personal portfolio is the principal, it is the name of the project. So when we create a project, we can use a command line, and we will be provided with this stuff, with all this stuff. There is an ascii.py, settings.py, URLs, and whiskey. So part of the project, part of the work that I completed here is to, for example, to aggregate or to add the apps that I created. In this case, we have two apps, projects and a blog. And yeah, everything else is just the default settings. And the other thing here is that we also should add this project and blog URLs. Also, in this part of the project, we have base HTML file. This HTML contains the the principal content of the web page. In this case, we have a nav bar based on Bootstrap. And as you can see right here, we have the content section or the content blog. And so when we create another templates on the other apps, we are just sending the content inside the project detail. Contains a simple page where we can display the information of the project that we want to display. And we also have the project index where we are creating different cards for every project that we just want to display as a summary. We also have something important here is that we are creating our database, well, an object to work with our database. We have a title, the description, the technology used for the project, and the image that we want to display. But I'm going to show you something right here because we have just logged into the Django database. We can go right here into the Django admin page. And this page is gonna allow us to manage the database that we have just created. Well, in this case, we are not able to log in because the server is not running. So we're gonna start running the server again. There it is. Django administration. I'm already logged in. And we have some options. The website, we can change the password and log out. But okay. In this part, we have this blog section where we can create the content to be submitted into the database. We can try, as you can see it, here are the content that we already created, the free posts, the category, well, 2 categories. And yep, that is the project. You can see that the blog app inside the project is similar to the projects folder. And something that we added here, maybe to let you know, is that we have the section for this form, the comments form, and we just had to create using a widget provided by Django, where we provide a class and a placeholder so that the program knows how to create our form to be displayed in the page, in the web page. And yep, that's it. I think if you have some questions, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna leave the project's GitHub link in the description of the video. Thank you.